Kaugnay ng ika-50 taong anibersaryo ng People's Television Network ay patuloy tayong nag-iimbita ng mga personalidad na naging bahagi ng istasyong ito. At para malaman natin kung sino ang susunod nating makakapanayam upang alamin ang kanyang kwento sa PTV, panoorin po muna natin ito.
Taong 1980 hanggang 1986 nang umere sa telebisyon ang morning show na Good Morning Manila.
Hi, Good Morning Manila. It's the 24th of February, a Monday.
Lumabas ito noon sa People's Television Network na kilala pa ng taong iyon bilang Maharlika Broadcasting System.
PTA Maharlika Broadcasting Channel 4.
Ang programang Good Morning Manila ay pinangunahan ng veterano at magaling na host na si Baby O'Brien. At ngayong umaga, tayo ay magbalik tanaw at alamin natin ang kanyang kwentong PTV.
Kasama na po natin siya. Magandang umaga po, Ma'am Baby O'Brien. Welcome po dito sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Good morning, welcome back.
Hi. You know, I have to say a few things. Well, first of all, let me say good morning to all of you. And I hope you're having breakfast or whatever it is that you do at this hour. What I must say is, look at all those lights. And the air condition is so cold.
Malaki na yung changes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Improvement. Ayan.
Quite a bit.
Well, ma'am, inabot ko kayo nung nagsisimula ako dito sa PTV. Pero ano pong pakiramdam ninyo? After so many years na nakabisita po ulit kayo dito sa studio ng talagang pinagbulan yung network bilang host ng Good Morning Manila, ano po bang pakiramdam? Ano po yung observation ninyo ngayong umagang ito?
Lots of lights. Really cold. And I'll tell you one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras. Wow, yay! Before we had 2.
Ano
And
pa
we
po?
did well. I mean, I have to say. But we traveled a lot. I don't know if you people travel, but we traveled all over. We went to, oh gosh, nakaabot kami ng Cotabato. Believe it or not.
Naikot nila ang buong Pilipinas.
Yes.
Yung iba sa mga kasama niya sa out of town, andito pa din di ba? And
Yeah.
right now, especially Elena Empas, andyan,
Oo.
di ba? Oo. Actually, kahit po sa generation namin ngayon, kasama pa rin po namin sa out of town si Elena Empas. Oo. And well, anyway, magbalik na po tayo. Kwentuhan niyo naman po kami sa mga naging bahagi ng inyong buhay. Siyempre, ang PTV po, kasama niyo po yan. Kasi if I understand, 1980s pa po, nung unang umere ang Good Morning Manila. So,
Yes.
po.
But previous to Good Morning Manila, I did, well, the first show I ever did was Dansorama.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, they put, well, Dansorama was the show that I started in television with Pete Roa. And then they made it into a movie.
Okay.
And then I went from Dansorama to The Wow Generation with Manolo Fabis.
Okay.
I'm sure you're familiar with him. And then from there, I don't remember everything, pero I remember we did also, I did a show, I forgot the title, with Sina Silvia La Torre, and, you know, basta, I went
Many
from,
prominent names na nakasama ni Ma'am.
oo, I went through this musical, you know, and then eventually, they thought I could act.
Ang ganda, no? Kasi the format of the shows are not only for news, even for entertainment, for culture, na
Arts.
talagang, culture and arts, na dapat talaga ay namumutaw sa isipan ng mga tao.
Ito mga ka-RSP, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, alam nyo ba na marami nagsasabi na yung Good Morning Manila ang nagpasimula o yung nagpauso ng mga morning shows nung umere yung Good Morning Manila, Fee, ay sunod-sunod na gumawa yung iba't ibang mga private networks na mga morning show.
Yes, that's
Tama
true.
po ba ito, Ma'am
Correct.
Baby?
We were the first one on the air. As a matter of fact, eto yung dialogue ko. Pwede nyo tanungin. Sigurado kayo may nanonood sa atin. Kasi we were on at 7 in the morning. You guys are earlier, huh? And I thought, wow, who, you know, but anyway, Viz and Ed and everybody in here in PTV4, we're all gung-ho. We're going to do a morning show. Okay, fine. So we had Mang Louie, and then we had Malu Maglutak, do I remember? Alan came later. I did another show for 4 with
Alan
Alan.
Alganique.
Yes. Then we also had, I forget the other hosts, but there were segments we were not 5 hosts like you are here now, you're 4 or 5, no? We had what they call, the whole studio was divided into segments.
Okay.
So
So, each
one-
segment will have its own production design.
Oo, an own set, ganun.
Okay.
Ayan. So I'd turn over to them and turn over. My set was there, or you can see it on the TV. But it's the smallest, actually, kasi nag-iisa ako dun eh. Ang trabaho ko, mag-good morning at goodbye at introduce the
Okay.
different segments.
Ayun. Well, we want to know also, Ma'am Baby, ano naman yung most memorable experience niyo nung nandito pa po kayo sa PTV?
Well, I would say memorable is everything.
Everything.
Yeah, well,
But
because-
one specific scenario that happened here in PTV that you wouldn't even forget in your life?
Actually, none. I remember everything in PTV.
Everything.
The most I remember is that we only had not as many lights as this and 2 cameras. And we would really gang-ho. I mean, sabi sa, sige na, kaya natin yan. Oh, sige, kaya natin yan. So, we did a morning show every day with not as much, well, you guys are really wow. You know, when I walked in, I
Yes.
said, wow. Anyway, so, but it was fun. And I will never forget the fact that I worked with so many nice people, really good people, and that I traveled the Philippines. I went to as far as Cotabato.
Parang work and leisure din po kasi. You're enjoying
alam mo,
your work.
when you go out of town, the fact is it's so much nicer than Manila. Unang-una, iba traffic, di ba? Iba tao, iba pagkain,
Yes.
iba entertainment, iba yung, basta
You
it's fun.
encounter different walks of life.
Yes, it's really fun. And, well, fun and hardship kasi matutulog ka ng 5 hours max.
Yes.
Kasi you're taping and taping and taping, sayang naman the time. Hindi
Hanggang
na.
sa nasanay na rin yung body clock ninyo, talagang umaga ka rin nagigising.
Yes,
Spot
that's
on,
right.
Stress.
Oo.
Well, bilang panghuli, ma'am, ano, meron po ba kayong mensahe sa PTV, lalo na ngayon na ika-50th anniversary na po ng Telebisyon ng Bayan?
Wow. Nilagay nga kami dito sa May 50. Hindi ako 50 ha, sila lang. And a joke. Of course, I always wish Channel 4, where I came from, and I guess I stayed the longest, the best of luck, and more power, and bigger studios, and, well, I can't say more lights because there's so many lights already. But, hey, gang-ho, let's go.
Ayun. Muli po yung nakasama natin, si Ma'am Baby O'Brien. Isang karangalan po na makasama namin kayo ngayong umaga. And thank you so much po. And stay safe. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat.
Kayo
Yes, ma'am.
rin.
Maraming
Stay safe.
salamat,
Thank
ma'am
you
Baby.
po.